In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted events from Google Calendar. This is a handy skill that can save you a lot of trouble if an important meeting or reminder mysteriously disappears from your schedule. We'll focus on how you can easily do this from your desktop, ensuring those mistakenly deleted events find their way back into your calendar seamlessly. So, let's dive right in. The first thing you want to do is open your Google Calendar. This can be done by heading over to your browser and typing in calendar.google.com, or by clicking on the app if you have it bookmarked or installed on your computer. Once you're in, you're greeted by your usual calendar view, complete with all the upcoming events and meetings you have planned. It's familiar territory, but today we're digging a little deeper. Next, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the page where you'll spot the gear icon. This is your gateway to the settings menu of Google Calendar, filled with lots of customization options. Click on this gear icon and a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you'll want to choose Trash. In some accounts, you might have a slightly different path, needing to go through Settings to reach Trash. Google occasionally updates its interface, so be sure to check these areas if you don't see it immediately. Once you reach the Trash section, you'll notice it operates like a recovery bin for your calendar. This is where all your deleted events have been hanging out, waiting to be either permanently removed or, like in today's case, restored. It can be a bit of a trip down memory lane, but don't get too sidetracked by all those events you decided to part ways with. Now let's get to the crux of restoring your lost event. You'll see a list of the events you previously deleted. It's a complete catalog of what's been cleared out of your calendar, making it simple to browse and locate your misplaced event. Scroll through and find the specific one you want to revive. Once you've located the event you're looking to restore, take your mouse and hover over it. You'll notice a restore icon appear, represented by an arrow pointing upwards. This is what you need to click on to bring your event back to life. It's an easy action that will undo your previous delete action. After you click on the restore icon, voila! The event will magically reappear in its original spot on your calendar, right where it belongs on its intended date. Just like that, you've successfully retrieved a deleted event, keeping your schedule accurate and up to date. By following these straightforward steps, you can effortlessly bring back any event you might have deleted by mistake. It's a useful trick for anyone who relies heavily on their Google Calendar. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has helped make your digital organizing a little bit easier.